Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to easily delete your Pinterest account permanently, so let's jump right into it. First let's go ahead and open the app and then tap on the profile picture in the bottom right corner. From here tap on the three dots in the top right and then tap on settings. Tap on account management and then in the bottom right here tap on delete your data and account. It will take you to this page. Tap on continue. Once you do that, a small menu will pop up from the bottom. From there, go ahead and choose a reason of why you want to delete your account and then tap on send email. Now go ahead and quit Pinterest and then go to your email application. Refresh and you should find the Pinterest email right there. Tap on it and then tap on yes, delete account. From there, after 14 days of inactivity, your account will be permanently deleted. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And thank you very much for watching.